A very warm and heartiest good morning to you all gathered here. I'm called Afia. First of all, I would like to thank my apprehender and Right Concept Education for giving me a golden chance to speak over here. And today I'm here to tell you something important. Here I go. Guys, love yourself, who you are. Don't care about the people what they think. Not everyone has a good taste. Let them judge you. It is their work to pull your leg, but you shouldn't give up easily. Do whatever you want, but listen to everyone and learn from everyone. Because nobody knows everything, but everyone knows something. Maybe a little child will give you a lesson. Guys, be yourself. Don't copy others.